right, it's on. See this guy? He's gonna get wet, and I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh in a big old.
We're gonna get wet no matter what.
All right.
It is kind of, you know, raining.
Yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's do this.
I wish we're not soaked yet.
I mean, the stuff is dripping on me, and the water's actually quite cold.
That's why.
Hey, Chris, it could be cold.
Want to come here?
Hey, Chris, it could be very cold.
Hey, Chris, I'd put your feet up.
Huh?
I'd put your feet up a little bit.
Oh, great idea.
I'm in sandals.
Yeah, I am not. That would be bad.
Here we go.
Whoa, here comes some falls. Oh, and it's going right for Chris. Whoa, oh, no! Ah! Oh, got lucky on that one. Oh. Whoa! No! Uh-oh. Ah, it's gonna get Chris. Don't you turn. No! Oh, man.
Yes.
Ah, that's nothing. We're good. See? Barely got a drop on us. What?
Yeah, you will. Don't say that.
Yeah, we're gonna go off this thing bone dry.
Whatever.
No one's getting wet over here. Oh, look at that.
No one's getting wet, huh?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna get a lot of wet.
We're getting wet.
Why am I backing up to this first?
No.
Oh, no. That's what I'm talking about. No matter what, we're all getting it. Here we go.
Oh, macaroni.
It's going down on yellow timber.
Oh, wait. There's a or it's gonna get wet anyway.
Here we go. Oh! No! No!
You got the most of it.
Hey, I'm not getting the best luck right now.
Hey, look at me. I'm next to the rapids.
So are you.
Oh, great.
Whoa! There it goes.
Oh, shit!
Oh! Hey! Whoa! Oh, wait, whoa, what's going on here?
That hurt.
Oh, don't laugh. Oh, it's gonna get mama. Oh! Wait, hold up.
Oh, boy.
No! Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Here it comes.
Oh, macaroni. Oh, Lord.
Ow.
Oh, dude. Here we go.
All right, you guys ready?
Oh, wait.
All right, here we go.
I'm in the great spot.
Going way up there.
Here we go. Prepare to get
And we're going way down there.
Oh, hell bells.
Whoa! Ah! No!
Oh my God! Water magnet.
I was in the perfect spot.
Look at me.
I was
am
in the
soaking
perfect spot.
My back.
I chose so good.
But my front's not.
I chose the perfect spot.
It's like
I'm not happy with you at all. Not at all.
Oh my god, he is barely wet. I said my back is wet.
Yeah, I'm all wet. I feel like I just jumped in the damn
I
thing.
mean,
I failed to see the humor in any of this.